Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creations and a partial owner of MJOriginalBoutique.com. I'm coming to you all today with pretty much a recap of some of my DIY projects. Now, this is for those of you who are new, for those of you who have decided to subscribe to my channel and follow me on this channel. I get a lot of questions sometimes of people asking me asking me about if I have a DIY project for certain videos that I show. And of course, that answer is yes. So I'm going to go through just a few of some of these DIYs that I have already done. And for those of you who are interested, you can go and check out my playlist. I have a question. I got a question the other day about this. And this was one of the wire wrap ones that I did. And yes, I do have a DIY on this. This was something that I showed y'all how to make and create. Okay, so that's one. I have another DIY that I did on showing you all how to make and create this. All of these that I'm showing y'all are in my playlist, and like I said, this is for the new subscribers and for some of the subscribers who may have missed out on some of the videos that I had made. Okay, so I have this one, and then I showed you all how to make this. So this is another one. This is a bracelet that I created that I showed y'all how to make. I have these earrings right here that I showed y'all how to make. Okay, these are just, like I said, old. I'm not gonna say old. They're more recent. I also have this right here that I showed y'all how to make. This I did with copper wire and tiger's eye gemstones. I showed you all how to make and create this. So like I said, if you are interested in learning how to make any of these, they are all in my playlist. And the very last one that I want to show y'all is this one right here. Now this one, I decided to, sometimes I go back with some of my work and I recreate some of the things that I make, and I do it in different wire. Now this one I'm going to show y'all, I showed y'all how to do this using aluminum wire, but this is copper wire with lava beads, and it is a necklace. And I have shown y'all how to do this technique right here. Okay, so I just wanted to come to you all really quick and just show y'all some of the items that, as a matter of fact, wait a minute, I got one more. I actually did this, I'm thinking I did this 2 different times. I may have did this video twice, but I'm not really sure. This bracelet right here, I know I did this bracelet, and I'm trying to figure out, I did this bracelet, but then I did this bracelet also. So I don't know This one, I did this one also. It's another bracelet that I created. Okay, so this concludes this here video. I just wanted to come to you all really quick to show you some of the DIYs. For those of you who are new, and this is your very first time here, and you are, just go to the playlist and see what you can find in that playlist. In that playlist, you're gonna find some really, some goodies. I have a lot of jewelry that I have made. And I know most people who follow me have not watched all of those videos. I have quite a bit. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. And if you want to learn how to make any number or number of these, go ahead, check out the playlist, and go ahead and do your thing. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me, my beloved kings and queens. And until my next upload, peace and blessings. See ya.